Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Taha and today we are going to unbox the VXE R1 Pro. Let's go! My bad, I scratched it. Okay, this is nice. Premium packaging, I like it. VXE R1 series because we have the VX R1, R1 Pro and R1 Pro Max. This is the R1 Pro, you can see here. Golden text on a black box, very premium feeling. We have something here which we can pull. So this is the mouse, pretty clean, pretty white. We have the branding here. It says VXE R1 Pro. On the top we have the Type-C port. On the side 2 buttons. And on the bottom we have 2 gliders here, USB compartment, it's for the dongle and on off switch, and I guess this is the DPI button because there is a little light here. Let's see what we have inside the box. We have a USB to Type-C braided cable. It's kind of like it's not going to do well in the long run because the braided cable is very soft. Aside from this, we have the user manual. Let's open this. Yeah, this was the GPI and battery indicator. Okay, so this here is the battery indicator. Let's see what we have inside. So these are the extra gliders. We have the stickers for the grip. These are kind of thick stickers. Oh, we have more. So these are for the sides. This one will go here because we have buttons here. This one on the other side. And this is the last piece. So this is, I guess, used for the receiver because I saw it in the user manual. Oh, I see. This is for the receiver. We can put it inside of this, use the cable. Type-C will go here and this will go in your PC. This will remain here on your desk. So you will have the lowest latency while you're playing. So like the receiver is very close to the mouse. Yeah man, this is cool. Oh, I thought this was for extending, but no, this is for the receiver. Okay, let's see the actual mouse right now. The clicks. Damn, I really love the clicks because they're not mushy at all. My height is 5 feet 10 inches and my hands are big, and this is like perfect on my hand. You can see here. Now it's time to end the video here, and I believe that this is the best budget mouse under $50 you can buy in this time. I hope you liked the unboxing video. Let's see you tomorrow.